Morning, everybody. Today we're gonna go and get my AC fixed. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. The AC compressor stopped failing. It only stays switched on and it doesn't sound like it's cycling anything. So I got me a new AC compressor clutch, and I'm gonna take it to a mechanic shop real quick and they're gonna change it out. I'm not really gonna say how to do any of the stuff. I mean, it's kind of simple. You just gotta remove those bolts, but I'd rather take it to a professional because I don't have the vacuum or anything to take all these chemicals out, like all the Freon that we still have inside there. So let's head on over there. It's easy to remove. It's not rocket science. I changed out all my lines for my AC, the condenser and all that stuff. But like after they did the recharge on it, I think a month later, the AC compressor clutch stopped cycling. Like right now, it blows cold air to everything. I'm gonna use this paper as a reference so you guys can see how hard my AC blows. So that was another thing I did to my truck, that I made the AC blower blow a little bit more harder. I think it was getting like 9 volts or something like that. That's what it was getting. So there's like this whole like wiring process that you have to do to make it blow a little harder. And one thing I did wrong on it was that whenever you have it at the high setting, it's supposed to blow that hard, and once you get like, I guess, like your medium and your other settings, it's supposed to go back to its original settings that it has. And I don't think I connected a cable correct on it, so it only blows hard at all the settings. So I need to fix that. I will provide that wiring diagram if you guys want me to make a video about it. I'll do it, and while I'm at it, I will go ahead and fix the problem that I didn't do right here. Now we gotta remove those 2 bolts off of there. So we're just about done already. We're just recharging it, and hopefully my AC should be blowing cool. Yeah. Alright, so we're done with the AC. It is blowing a lot more colder than it was, because before it wouldn't, I mean, it was like average, it was just okay, but it wasn't all that. But I'm glad I got this fixed. Now